Welcome to Trading Scams Exposed, episode 145, where we pull back the curtain on the dark secrets lurking within the trading industry. Today, we continue to expose a master manipulator known as ICT, the inner circle trader. ICT, a self-proclaimed trading expert, has built a loyal following whom he refers to as Muppets. But behind the scenes, a sinister plot unfolds. ICT is no trader. He is a con artist, a fraud preying on the unsuspecting. ICT's weapon of choice: the trading platform TradingView. Using cunning techniques, he fixes his trading history, making it appear more successful than it truly is. But how does he do it? By manipulating partial trades, ICT can make a single trade seem like multiple trades. He takes partials along the way, resetting trades when they don't go as planned. Watch how the order detail pop-ups get blurred out on some videos but not others. What's he hiding on his demo account? Then he shows his trading history that's missing something. This smoke and mirrors tactic distorts the truth, making his trading history appear far more impressive than it actually is. But it doesn't end there. ICT cherry-picks trades, selectively showcasing only the profitable ones while conveniently hiding the losses. This manipulation creates a false narrative, luring in unsuspecting traders who yearn for success. And the deception continues. ICT goes to great lengths to hide his tracks, removing columns from the TradingView display. By eliminating crucial information, such as the action and date time columns, he obscures the truth and maintains his illusion of expertise. But ICT's deception doesn't stop at manipulating his trading history. He preys on his followers, teaching them how to scam others and resell his services. He turns his Muppets into puppets, all working to perpetuate the cycle of fraud and financial gain. Those who dare to speak out against ICT are swiftly silenced. He blocks anyone who threatens to expose the truth, desperate to maintain his charade and continue profiting from the unsuspecting. But we are here to disrupt his web of lies. Our YouTube channel stands as a beacon of truth in an industry plagued by deceit. We do not seek monetary gain. Our purpose is to protect the trading community from predators like ICT. Join us on our Discord channel, where we foster a community of informed traders who share knowledge and expose scams. Together, we can dismantle the fraudulent schemes that tarnish the integrity of the trading industry. Share this information far and wide. Let the truth be known that ICT is a fraud and cannot trade. It is time to unmask the manipulators and reclaim the trading industry from those who seek to exploit it. Stay tuned for more revelations in our video series, Trading Scams Exposed.